If you need to cancel a pending transfer at American State Bank and Trust, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your American State Bank and Trust online banking account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, locate the section for transactions or transfers. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard of your online banking interface. Step 3. Find a pending transfer. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to view more details. There should be an option to cancel or modify the transfer. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of the transfer. Ensure you receive a confirmation message or email indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider contacting American State Bank and Trust customer support for assistance.